Hello, everybody. It's Penny from Finny Boutique. I hope you're all doing well. And if it's cold, I hope you're staying warm. And if it's hot, I hope you're staying cool. Okay, I thought we would do some more unboxing of the friend jewelry that my dear friend sent to me. And we'll continue. I don't know if we'll finish it today. We'll see. Okay, so let's get started. I pulled some out of the box. Now, this one I couldn't remember if we looked at or not. What's in this little box here? There's a brooch or a pin. Very pretty. This pin from Spain. It says Spain on the back, I think. Let me see. Yes, it does. Right there. Okay. This pin. Here, let me pull you guys out a little bit. There. Okay. Wasn't sure, so I thought, okay, well, we'll go through it again. Chain. Let's see. It is marked, but I won't do any testing or anything today. Oh, these are sweet. These earrings, very pretty. I think I see. Oh, two. I wanted to let you all know that Mom is home now. She's doing much, much better. They're signed. These are really pretty. I like that they're nice size, just like that. Very pretty. So she is home, doing well so far. So thank you all for your prayers and good wishes for her. It means a lot to me, and it means a lot to Mom. These are pretty. Look at that. Look at the sparkle on those. So thank you to each and every one of you. These are stone. Those are pretty. Very pretty. Let's see. Oh, these are pretty as well. Maybe I did show these. Pierced. Oh, we go that way. Here's one of those rings. Looks like a peacock. And I think we got some amber here. Let's see. Hard to tell. There you go, a pair of earrings. Very pretty. Okay. So I wasn't sure if we had done that one or not. So I thought, well, we'll do it again just in case. Okay, put that aside. Let's see what this one is. Oh, that's pretty. That's cold. Look at the colors. Now, I don't know. Yes, it does have a stretch to it. Let me see. There. So pretty. Okay. Ooh, this is pretty. Looks like marcasite in here. Pretty bracelet. Fold over clasp. Very nice. And this one. Again, I couldn't remember if, No, we didn't do that. I don't think so. Okay, put this to that side so I know. Okay, what's in here? Oh, this is pretty. Wow. This is really nice. Does it fit? It does, just. That's cool. It's very pretty. I'm not sure what that is, but let me see it. Okay. Very nice. Let me put that away. And this is adjustable too, I think. Okay. Another bracelet. Oh, that is so sweet. Oh, I like this. So cute. Very pretty. Everything she has is so beautiful. Be forever grateful. Oh, wow. Let me pull you guys out a wee bit. Look at that, guys. I like this. I think this is brass because you can see it's lighter on the inside. So nice patina on the outside. I love this. Really nice. And let's see what's... Oh, toggle clasp. It's got a charm bracelet. I love you to the moon and back. And there's star and a moon. Little wine glass. Elephant. Another elephant. Oh, a cross. Hold on. There's a cross. And if I can see right, I can't see. No, I can't really make that out. It's religious figure. That's pretty. I really like this. That's very nice. Wow. I'll try not to ooh and ah as much this time, okay, guys? All right, let's see what's the next one. Oops. Glass beaded bracelet. Lobster claw clasp. Like I said earlier, I'm really getting into the glass beads. They're so pretty and colorful, and so many different styles and types. And oh, okay. Oh, we got two bracelets here. Okay. Look at these. It's a toggle clasp. Okay, on here, I'm not sure if they're both, it says sterling silver. I'm not sure yet. I haven't tested, but this is so pretty, and I trust what she says. And here's another one with a toggle clasp. Oh my gosh, these beads are gorgeous. They are stunning. Wow. Oh my gosh. They are gorgeous. Oh, so beautiful. Okay. Oh, look at that. Oops. That pendant. Okay, that's gorgeous. Wow. Look at this brooch. Oh my gosh. Oh, that's cute. Oops, that is so cute. Okay, put that over here. Oh, wow. Oh, let me take that out. This is pretty. This is a stunner. And this, let me see if it says. Okay, I'll pull you guys out a bit. Like, look at that. Isn't that pretty? So you have multiple strands here. And these are cold. These are glass or crystals. This is really pretty. Like, let me show you on the neck. Okay, gotta move the light. Oop. Here, do this. Okay. Wow. That really, really sparkles and shines. Okay, hold on. Look at that. Wow, that's gorgeous. Okay, let me do that. It's a little bit heavier. These are cute. Super cute. Glass. Aw. Little cameo pendant. Express, but it's so nice. Yeah. I love cameos. I think they're beautiful. This is nice. Another pin. Very pretty. Oh, look at this pin. Wow. That's nice. That is really nice. Double-stranded. Oops. Here, let me do like this. Yeah. I think it's a lobster claw clasp. Yes. Double-stranded. Very pretty. Excuse me. I love the colors. This one I think is really, excuse me, long. It's a little bit tangled. I'll have to untangle that. Oh, here it comes, I think. Yeah, there it comes. Now, is this a long? Yeah, this is a, oops, sorry guys. I got caught here. Let's see what's, okay, hold on. What's going on? Yeah, this is really nice. Great for layering. Because it's really long or doubling up. Let's see. You could probably triple this. Let's see here. You can get it. No, sorry. Yeah, you could definitely triple this. This is tripled. Let me pull you guys out so you can see. See? Very pretty. Leave that for now. Pink and clear seed beads. And I actually see something you can mix this with, actually. Ooh. Can I put it in there? I think I could. Like, you could do that. Something like that. Or even maybe on here. So there's a glass pendant. I like these glass pendants. They're so pretty. And they're all different. Okay. Ooh, look at that one. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, I'll set that here. Silver tone and black tone. Twisted chain. Nice for elegance. You just want something simple but a little bit bolder. That's nice. And another pin here. So that was in this bag. So we'll put this in here. Also, welcome to my new subscribers. And everything is done through PayPal. And now this video we're doing, I have to test and research. If you've watched, those of my older subscribers know that I normally, I always make sure that it's tested and give you lengths and sizes and what have you, right? And then I'll price it for you. But if you're interested in anything from my videos that I have for sale, my email is pennyfuller@yahoo.ca. Okay. That's cute. Aww. That's super cute. I love the pink enamel. Oh, these are cute. Look at that, guys. Little polar bears. Oh, lots of earrings. I think we need it. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. It says, does it slide? Or how does this work? Okay, so that's a little dangle. And then we'll start, and then it hooks right here onto this, or this one. That's pretty. Ooh, this is gorgeous. Let me move this aside so it doesn't distract. What a pretty color. And it has, look at this. So some of the fold over clasp, I don't know, I'm not sure yet, but look at the pattern in some of them. Oh, this is pretty. Such a pretty blue, opalescent blue color. Very pretty. And this is a Brighton heart. I think that's a pendant. You could use that on one of those seed bead necklaces too, or on a chain. There's so much you can do with this kind of stuff. This is really pretty. Okay. This is sweet. I love the colors too. And these are really cute. I like those. Okay. Well, I like everything. You guys know that. Okay, next little baggie. This is pretty. I'm just gonna get it Oh, that's really pretty. It's a bracelet. That is really nice. It's got some weight to it too. Almost looks like a fleur-de-lis here. Very pretty. Okay, tangled here just a little bit. There we go. Oh, yeah, I got it tangled again. What did I do? There. Yeah, that's really nice. Okay. Okay, we have another chain. Okay. Okay. Did I show this one? Oh, this is pretty. Another glass beaded necklace. I love glass beads. All different colors. Very pretty. In different shapes. There's some square faceted here. Let me show you. Right? I see that right there. Oblong. So you have all different colors in here. So very versatile. Okay. Did we do? Oh my goodness. Wow. This is a bracelet. Toggle clasp. This is gorgeous. This is so pretty. I love the colors. Oh, that's gorgeous. I don't think you guys, like, I hope it shows the bluey green on it. Like it, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous, guys. Really pretty. Okay, I'm gonna put that back in the wrapper. Ooh. Oh, look at these. These are pretty. I love the colors. Oh my gosh, these are nice. Wow, if you put your hair up, if you have long hair, put your hair up. That's all you would need is these. Look, gorgeous. Or you can add whatever you want. And you could, yeah, you could wear those with that pearl necklace. You could wear, oh my gosh, there's so much you could wear if you wanted to, a necklace. That's really, those are pretty. Those are really pinks and greens and whites and purple. Very pretty. You can wear them if you have short hair as well. You can wear them, yeah, if you have long hair and you want to be able to show them off, just put your hair up. Beautiful lampwork beads. Not sure if I showed this. And this has a barrel clasp. Very nice. Gorgeous. Wow. Okay. Let me get a bit more out. Still some time. Let's see. I have a box here. Okay. Opening a box. We have some goodies in here. Okay. Aww. Really pretty bracelet. Some AB coating. So pretty. Lobster claw clasp. Oh, see? Very pretty. And then there's a necklace in here. These feel like glass. I could be wrong because not they're cold. Yeah, they do feel like glass. This is really pretty. Let me just move that out of the way. Wow. Very nice. Okay, what is this? Ooh, that's a pin. Oh, I think my phone moved. Let me just hold on, guys. Let me pull you guys closer to me. There's a nice pin. Look at the golds and the browns in it. It's very, oh, what is that? Felt on the back? It is. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. I love the colors. Okay. So that's going to go back in the box. Okay, another bracelet. Pull you out a little bit. It's frost, like the brushed metal and the clear metal. And I think it's a fold over clasp. Yes, right here. Silver tone. I thought I just saw something. I did. What did I see? Trifari? Um, or am I just... Yeah, Trifari. Wow. Look at that. Very nice. Oh, another this gold tone. Yeah, gold tone pin. Pull you back out. Very pretty. Very simple. Very elegant. That would look nice. You know, you could wear one of those, a thin scarf. I have lots of scarves. I'm going to start wearing them again. But if you tuck, kind of pinned it in, but tuck that through just to show a little bit of the scarf, but still have the pin, I think that would look nice. Yeah. Okay. Very nice bracelet. Monet. It is Monet. Wow. This is very nice. It has a good feel to like it feels good. If that makes sense. Like you know, it's well made. You can tell like it's Monet, but still even if you could tell that it was the way it feels that it's yeah, Monet. Is that what that says too? Is Monet? I think. I see that, but what is that? Yeah, Monet. Monet. Very nice bracelet. Very nice. Okay. Oh, these are pretty. These are really pretty. Oh, wow. I like these. And these are, or maybe this way. These are clip-ons. So pretty. Ooh, some more clip-ons. I think these are glass beads too. They're like a goldish and burgundy, I think. So yes, some clip-ons. Okay. Oh, another pretty pin. Silver tone with purples and I think it's greens in there. don't know if you guys can catch that, what I see. Let me move this back over. Yeah, the little ones I think are like a greenish color. That's pretty. Okay, so something on these. These are pretty. Coral. These are really nice. They're actually very nice. Clip-ons. Okay. Okay, what? Oh. I think these are, yes, they're men's. This is, wow. Wow, I like that. I really like that. Holy. Wow. Those are really nice. I mean, whoops. Can never do it through the camera. Oh, there. Look at that. Wow. Those are gorgeous. Okay. Aw. So pretty. So sweet. Aw. Okay. Oh, this is something. I think these are pretty. These Vendome. Oh my goodness. Screwbacks. I have a Vendome necklace too. It's very heavy. It's here. It's been, I think, on one of my shorts and other videos. It's solid. Those are pretty. Those are Vendome, and they are screwbacks. Yeah. Wow. Those are really nice. Okay, and then these ones. Oh, these are pretty. I like the colors on these too. These are like a blue with some little bit of green in them. Enamel. Gold tone, and they are clip-ons. They're pretty. Really nice condition. Okay. Wow. Vendome. Oh my goodness. Vendome's been around for a long time. Let me. These are beautiful. Look at me oohing and eyeing. Okay. That over here. All right. Let's see. A few more. Oh, what's that? Oh. Okay, let me grab some more here. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness, this is a bracelet. Let me pull you guys out. And then I'll pull you in. Wow. This is so pretty. Holy smokeroo. Toggle clasp. Oh my goodness, this is so pretty. It's like a very, very deep red. I don't know if you guys can see that. Wow. That's gorgeous. Holy. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at these beads. Barrel clasp. And it's hand knotted in between. Oh my gosh. What a beautiful blue. Oh, and there's a gold flecks in them. Oh, they're so pretty. Graduated beads. Let me show you this on the neck. I'll move this one aside. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. Let me put it aside. Oops. Like, look at that. Here, let me move it close so you guys can see. Aren't they pretty? Okay, these are gorgeous. Let me try and get it so you guys can see the beads. All hand knotted. That's gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. Just stunning. Okay, where did I put the bag for that? Right here. Yeah, those are stunning. They almost look purple in some like depending on where you move it, and then a blue with a little bit of purple. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is a stone. I think it's carnelian, but I will test it and do some research. This is beautiful. This is heavy. Wow. Let me show you the neck. Oh my gosh. Wow. Okay. Look at that. That's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Holy. Oh my gosh. And these are graduated beads. Beautiful. Okay, put that over here. Holy moly. Okay, we got a few more minutes. Holy. Let's see. More packages. Wow. Look at these pearls. Lobster claw clasp. Look at those. More peacock colored. Those are pearls. Oh my gosh, I love the colors. And then there's this. No, lobster clasp. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so pretty. Yellows and blues, purple. Look at the flowers all on these little beads. Oh, oh my gosh. Wow. I wonder how long she's been collecting jewelry for. These are gorgeous. I have to ask her. This one out. That's pretty. That almost looks like those earrings. Let's see. There's no marking, but this, I don't think, but those look like those earrings almost. Very nice pin. That the other box that we opened. I like this. Oh, that's cute. This is a pin, like a push pin. That is cute. Oh, a dove. Like that. Aw. Yeah, push. Oh, that's pretty. Well, I know where she got this one from. That's pretty. That used to be one of my favorites too. Black enamel and clear rhinestones. And oh, starfish. Oh. Oh my goodness. I have a lot of research to do. This is sweet. This is really sweet. This, yeah, oh my gosh. Okay, let me see if I can get a couple more bags. One or two. Let's see, what's this one? I hope you're enjoying this. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. Clamper style, I think, yeah, clamper bracelet. Very pretty. That's really nice. Okay, let me put it on so you guys, it fits my wrist. Give you guys an idea. Here, pull you out a little bit. Isn't that nice? I like that. Oh, she has such good taste. And this one, I think this one, yeah, is Brad. Sorry, I gotta take away when I'm a mother of pearl, and I think brass. Let me see if I can get it. She's tiny. There, that's what it looks like on. That is really nice. This is older. I can tell it's older. That's nice. Wow. Okay, I just try to keep an eye on my microphone. So I don't, for whatever reason, wants to cut off if I get too close to an hour. So maybe it's telling me I talk too much. This is awesome. Look awesome with that beaded necklace. Okay, I'm trying to find a couple small ones and then we'll go. Oh, I like that. That's really nice. Let's see, how do you wear it? Like this? I guess like this, I think. That's nice. Ah, sweater clip. Very pretty. Very pretty. Another pin. Very nice. This one is very, very different. I like that one. Okay. And this bag, and then we'll go. And then I gotta do some more research tomorrow. Oh, I like that. Look at that one. That's another pin. See? Wow. And one more. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is here. Another pin. It is ceramic. Excuse me. Signed. Oh, and it's a bale as well. So you can wear this as a pendant as well. What a great idea. I love it. I love the colors. I love the scenery. A tree with some blue-green sky in the background. Very pretty. Very nice. Okay, guys. I'm going to get going. I hope you enjoyed this video. And we're not done unboxing. Maybe next one will be, we'll finish it. But I hope you enjoyed it. Please give us a thumbs up and share. And you'll be hearing from me within the next day or two, okay? Take care, everybody. Have a fantastic night. Thank you all for all your prayers and best wishes and blessings for Mom. I truly appreciate it. And I appreciate each and every one of you for watching and for your support, okay? And please remember to pray for the people in California, the wildfires, or fires. I'm not sure exactly what's going on there. It was set deliberately. But anyway, for the fires. So please pray and pray for all of you that everybody's happy and healthy and yeah, just happy and healthy and is blessed. Okay? Thanks, guys. Take care. Bye.